Hello, welcome to my channel. After beautiful gardens in Dominicana, I decided to take care of my gardens and to do some updates with my flowers. I have one planter with different flowers and another I have with vegetables. So I'm planning to grow some salad and some tomatoes and some rosemary and other things like parsley and so on and so forth. So my planter with flowers is almost ready. I'm just adding a couple more flowers just to make it look more beautiful, and then I will work on my vegetable planter. I was away for a while, but now it's time to take care of my plants, and I'm really excited to see the result soon. I always like to water trees and plants. This is my favorite activity in summer. It gives me joy and relaxation for sure. Please let me know if you like my small garden, and I will keep you updated how it goes and how my spices and plants grow. Follow me to see more.